Hello and welcome to the first code hand-in procedural programming. At the beginning of the code, two features has been included, which is called IOStream and IOManip. Also, the code will be using namespace std, which basically allows the program to group different items such as classes, objects and function under a name. The main function has been declared the data type void, which means that the function will return nothing. Moving on to assignment 1 and 2. Here is a list of 10 variables, each containing a different data type and value. For instance, the variable phi, which is a Boolean type, which can only contain two values, either true or false, which in this case is true. Further along, there is a variable called, let's take eta for instance, which is an unsigned short integer data type declared for the variable eta, of course. And eta has the value of 60,000. Because it's unsigned, it means that the integer can only be a positive number. Also, short means that the integer is of less size than it usually is. To save some time, we'll not be going into details of every sort of variable. To assignment number 3, the value of the different variables will be displayed through this code that you can see here, starting with the variable phi and ending with the variable Italia. Cout calls out for the value of phi, and the coding called sin get is enables the call out of the function to stop and only show the next coding once the enter has been pressed. And as you can see, this has been repeated 10 times. And as said, ending with Italia and also having a sin get. In assignment number 4, we were asked to show the size of the different data types, both in bytes and bits. And by using cout size of, we can automatically get the value displayed in bytes. Now, by multiplying this same value by 8, we automatically change the byte into bits, which is then also displayed. The assignment in assignment number 5, we were asked to use 3 different typecasting, and as you can see here is 3 different typecasting. For instance, the static cast typecasting. For a reason unknown, this was it was not possible to display the change of the typecasting. Typecasting actually means that a data type is being changed from one data type to another. For instance, that phi is being changed to an integer equal to Irene. Now, in the last assignment 6, we were asked to display a double with the number decimal being at least in 15 digits. And this is accomplished by set precision, which can only work if using manip, which was included at the beginning of the coding. And in doing so, the double, which usually displays 6 or 7 digits, can then be set to any set of digits as the programmer chooses, which in this case is 15, as was asked of the assignment. Now, we'll display how the code is executed by the computer. And starting off, it shows number 1 of the first variable. Pressing enter, the next is being displayed. And just to show, now we have number 3. And now we're just going to skip ahead just to save some time. And now comes the next assignment, which was the value in bytes. And now in bits. And lastly, the last assignment, which is the data type double, which was meant to be just changed so it could display more digits. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.